Yo, this is going to be a quick unboxing. It's a case from a brand called Pelican. They're known for making waterproof / indestructible cases for various purposes. But you already know we're going to be using this one for fingerboards. This is their 1010 micro case series. And it's the perfect case for when you're on the go. It's water resistant, it's crush proof, and also dust proof. Let's check it out. It has a really sturdy clasp, and the inside material is like a nice soft rubber. Very, very soft, so your boards will be nice and protected when you put them in. Let's see how many boards it can hold. Alright, fits 4 boards comfortably, and I'm sure you can fit in your standard mini tool or Black River tool. And it has a nice carabiner, so you can hook it on your book bag or whatever you feel. It also has some good weight to it. It's not like a cheap plastic case at all. I'm gonna throw a couple stickers on. It also comes in other colors. I got the clear black. They have a clear yellow, clear red, so on. Overall, I'm super impressed and highly recommend. Peace.